Imagine an immersive, perfectly connected world that changes how we live, work, or engage. Welcome to the Indegene Metaverse, the convergence point for physician networks, patients, pharmacare and affiliate services. An integrated ecosystem of infinite possibilities, where HCPs can express support for topics of interest, and share views with peers. The auditorium provides opportunities for immersive, multifaceted learning opportunities. The Metaverse is a game-changer to humanize knowledge exchanges and forge stronger connections. Patients too can learn about diseases and connect with other patients. They can share experiences, support each other, and stay up to date on the latest therapies. The Knowledge Wall makes it easy to access the latest studies, journals, trends, and guidelines to enrich the learning experience. The Metaverse is especially helpful for time-starved members to network with an extended community. HCPs can explain medical conditions to the patient through the patient simulator. It's one of the first interactive virtual tools of its kind. Indegene's virtual worlds support new ways of interacting in the life sciences. Let's partner to explore, learn and create the next generation of connected, immersive experiences.